Welcome to Tourism Talks. Today we are going to discuss on nature of hospitality services. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Likewise, in all other service industry, hospitality industry also have some unique characteristics. The major characteristics of hospitality services are intangibility, perishability, heterogeneity, inseparability. Let's discuss each one. Intangibility. Intangibility simply means the quality of being intangible and not perceptible by touch. Hospitality services are also impossible to touch and taste. It is always associated with the experience. Consumer have to experience each hospitality services. Perishability. Hospitality services cannot be stored anywhere. It is perishable in nature. It have less inventory concept. Services should be sold in the same day or moment, not possible to store and utilize same on next day. Heterogeneity. It is the quality of being diverse. Hospitality service quality varies with each delivery. It is also difficult to standardize the quality. The quality of hospitality services will depends upon who provides, when, where, etc. Inseparability. We cannot separate the hospitality services. The services have to produced and consumed simultaneously. Consumer becomes part of the service production. These are the four important nature of hospitality services. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.